12th question here. We have to prove that this left hand side is equal to this right hand side. And if you look at these terms, we have sine 2x, sine 4x and sine 6x terms on the left hand side, and we have cos x and sine 4x on the right hand side. So if we start from the left hand side, we can try to see if we can eliminate the terms other than those that contain 4x and x. So if we look at the terms on the left hand side, we have sine 2x term, we have a term containing sine 4x, and we have another term containing sine 6x, and these terms are all getting added. And we know that the addition of two sine terms, for example sine of a plus sine of b, is equal to twice sine of a plus b by 2 times cos of a minus b by 2. So we have here these two terms which are the products, and one that contains the average of a and b, and the other one that is half of the difference of a and b. And if we look at these angles here on the left hand side, 2x, 4x and 6x, we see that 4x is actually the average of 2x and 6x, and therefore if we get those two terms together, sine 2x and sine 6x terms, and then use this formula, we will get sine 4x term, and therefore we can take that as common. So let us try to do that here. So we have LHS equals sine 2x plus sine 6x, we have gotten those two terms together, plus the third term which is 2 sine 4x. And now we add sine 2x and sine 6x by using the formula for sine a plus b, and we get 2 times sine of 2x plus 6x by 2, which is 4x, times cos of 2x minus 6x by 2, which is minus 2x, and we know that cos of minus 2x would be cos of 2x, so therefore we'll write that as cos 2x. And we would have in a much simpler way got this if we had treated 6x as a and 2x as b. So this would have become cos of 6x minus 2x by 2, and we would have straight away gotten 2x here. So we have this term twice of sine 4x into cos 2x, and then we have the remaining term which is plus twice of sine 4x, and we take 2 sine 4x common between the two terms, and we get 2 sine 4x times cos of 2x plus 1. So we now have sine 4x term here, and we also have the sine 4x term here on the right hand side, which is what we want to get. But here on the left hand side we also have this term of cos 2x, which we somehow want to convert into cos x, and we can do that by using the expression for cos 2x. We know that cos 2x is equal to 2 cos squared x minus 1, and we'll use that expression. So we have here twice of sine 4x multiplied by 2 cos squared x minus 1, which is what cos 2x is, and the balanced term which is plus 1, and 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, and we have got our right hand side here, which is 4 times cos squared x sine 4x. Let us now move on to the next problem.